have no restaurant.
God damn it. We got one more.
Oh, one more. Uh-oh.
We shot a beetle now.
Oh, we did?
Literally got his ass up to his foot.
One for the team.
Who ran to knock that over?
What?
Yeah.
We're not even through the box. We haven't even touched the boxes yet. That's the best part. We're still going for just the
Right.
we're still going to the borders. We haven't touched this right. We haven't touched the Grand Valley.
Fucking bugs. Huh? Something's burning.
They're getting ready. Oh, you got that one.
You getting close?
Yeah. Oh, he had the one right next to you.
Aaron.
Right in the center. How many you got?
Not enough. They're all full.
I got 3.
Yeah, help me out. You can like this one. Junior, you get over here. We need 3 torches next time we do fireworks. 4 torches. It'll make life easier.
So we need to do it, because I did it. So we need to light.
No,
No, so.
2, 1, go. Oh, God. Oh, God.
My middle one. And we're just gonna. Yep. Go ahead. All right, somebody's got to yell America when you do this. America! No.
Do you want me to get the 2 end ones and then you get the other 2?
Well, I usually.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one's ready.
Damn, you fucking pyro, man.
No.
All right.
Seriously?
Wait. You, wait.
No, hold on a minute. He's going to try to light them all at once.
Wait. You got.
Hold on. Oh, we all set?
I say, how many we got left?
What do you want to do?
You can reload that again.
How many we got?
We definitely have enough to load it.
Yeah. You want to load it again after?
We can.
Absolutely.
Wait, you want to do that?
All right, so let's set this off and then let him come in.
Yeah, this is. Yep.
Set it down. Well, where do you want me? Count down. Count down.
3, 2, 1, light.
All right, this one has to go like this, though.
Yeah, like this.
Shoot. Yeah.
Go ahead.
Oh yeah, we definitely got another round to fucking load that.
No, no, yeah, like that direction, Kim.
Yeah, this.
Like just like that.
Yeah.
And Wick's right there.
We definitely got enough to do more.
Want to light it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
You
fire
could
in the hole.
You could probably do it twice over. Oh, you guys still have the boxes, like, dude.
That's what I mean.
Oh, I wasn't ready.
You got time. Oh yeah, I'm in a bad spot.
Yeah.
Round two. Wait till I get a 40 rack.
You ordered a,
That's a 20.
You ordered another 20, right,
I
Ram?
did. I got.
So we'll have it
I
for
ordered.
next
I
time.
ordered just two.
Right now,
Yeah.
Fucking 40 rack would be killer.
40. And instead of so that wick is 7 seconds per foot. I would get 4 seconds per foot. Yeah. See, it's just straight through. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
The way I said I was nice.
It is.
Yeah, it's going good.
You know what I'm saying?
The
You
timing
get
on
that,
it is
you get
perfect.
that 40 rack for the grand, part of the grand finale shit, where it's like boom, 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 boom.
The shorter fuse,
Oh my God.
the bigger rack.
I think you might lose it 2 for 2, Mark. Could you imagine 40 with speed wick? Speed fusing? Oh my God.
It would literally be like they do on the Hudson. I think this
It
one,
would.
it's gotta just be.
It would. Yeah, yeah.
So,
Is that how?
It would.
that'd be awesome.
You do it with speed wick, which is
Here's
what?
20 right here.
All right.
I thought they made it illegal to buy
I really didn't know.
What?
the extended fuses. I thought they made it illegal to buy this because people were doing what we're doing right now in a state where it's not legal.
I bought those and then, you know, I was like, hopefully the fucking government doesn't flag me as a. All right. Oh, you guys are reusing all this?
Yeah, we gotta do. Wait, do we have enough black guns to do that though?
That's, you know, here. You know what we'll do? We'll do every. So here, we'll do 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, wait. Oh, wait.
One of my coworkers, he's like 6. Hey,
Yeah,
what,
so that
they
one
like
can
it?
go here.
He'll tell
Oh,
you
yeah.
straight up.
All
He's
right,
like, yeah,
see
I
where
have
that
like
leads you,
He's like, I grew
guys.
up on a 95 road shell. He's like, I remember my grandfather going out there with a like, what shit? He does all these shit. Like, and it's like, wow. Darren got the one where you just shoot him off and all you hear
That's
in
all the black?
background is, what the fuck?
Oh, that is good.
It's like,
Reds?
I remember when trucks didn't even have power steering. I'm like, what?
Let us use these. Throw them in. Oh,
No,
shit.
he said double. No, he said, you remember trucks like you had 2 sticks.
Come on, Junior.
What am I doing?
The
Hey,
light is on.
Dad took the lighter. Give me your lighter.
Do we have enough? Well, they have 3 to play over. Okay, let's.
We got 3 more fun ones.
Wait, I have another. Yep.
What?
You want? Let's just try it. Let's try it.
But how are you
Red,
gonna
red,
get
red.
this one to that one?
Because it's yeah. Oh my God! Jesus Christ! Yes. Yeah. No, you're right. You're right. If you keep on doing this right across, right, just like this. Yep, right across.
You can almost tape them to
We're gonna take them right to each other. Yep. Yeah.
Except
This is gonna go faster.
No, I'm saying
This
you're
is
taking
making
them.
that 40 rack with the speed whip happen now.
So yes, right. So if his theory is right,
Yeah?
yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh Jesus Christ. Yep. You do that and. Oh, wait. You're doing it that way. So. Wait, no. This way. Right.
Well, it's like, you know what's funny is like I sit here like, man, fireworks. You hear the shit. Then you start lighting them off, I'm like, hell yeah.
Everybody hates them. I'm like, why?
Well, it's like
What are we doing for how you want to do the cakes?
Like, I mean, kids.
we got what? Fucking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cakes.
All right. So
So what's our last for the cake? So this is definitely
No, I
last
just
for
feel
the
like I
cake.
want to start going.
that one and the
This
big
one,
one.
Like, even
and then
with
the pyro.
Pyro.
I think that was the good ones, right? That was these two were
I know it's so much
the good
fun,
ones
man.
last time
All right, so
from
put
Memorial Day.
those at the last.
Yeah, I think
So put those at the last. Yo, someone, you're recording this, Justin? All right, awesome.
open this box top before igniting the fuse. You want to cut this just so we don't forget?
Lucky you read that shit. Yeah, that Mustang.
Yep.
And stuff like that. How much? Kind of whiskey. Mark,
Headers, exhaust, tune. That's it. Yeah. I.
No, I mean that's the kind of right thing to do. You start going crazy with this one. You got to
Give us a
This
minute.
is actually looking like it's gonna work really well.
I want to do a Supercharger this year. Yeah, so I've been meaning to do it. Fuck you guys, pyros. Been meaning to do it. Who needs to go to school for
We
this?
are
All right. You want to light this one, babe?
we are freedom.
Don't worry, I have my OSHA 10 safety certification.
I do too.
He does too. We're perfectly safe.
I have my OSHA 10. I just never.
I got
shared
my
it.
run and
I
duck
have my
certification.
8th
Have
grade
to.
graduation certificate.
I have
And
my
then you would light it.
That's all you need.
From this end.
I think
Great,
we
it's
like
gonna go.
these.
Wait,
That's
I'm
from 2
winning.
years ago. That's
We'll do a couple of these while you guys are doing that.
No.
Heads up.
You want to do Popo next?
Coco?
Listen, I'm not trying. Are you guys trying to get us on fire when we're trying to do something?
Ready?
No, I don't want to get on fire.
Fire in the hole! Oh, I think the box is supposed to be upside down.
Oh God, can you imagine? That big motherfucker right there. Get that extension up. Alright, extension up, guys.
I want a video of that
Extension
one,
on.
so let me know when you guys do that one, because I
Oh,
have to
no,
run inside and grab my
Kim. Wait. Did we want to We can at the end.
You this you too. You too. See. Bye, Ricky.
So if you want that to go up with this,
Was that the Popo?
It was the one before that.
so
Was the
if we
Popo
attach
one.
this with this, having this one with this one. Okay.
Alright. Let's set that one down over there.
Yep.
Alright, so what are we doing? That might be our neighbor actually. I think he just came out his driveway.
Kill the light.
Yeah, I didn't even try to stop.
You gotta get rid of the evidence before the police do show up.
Yeah, exactly. So let's light it up.
Light all of it up, big bang, put fireworks.
Just like if it was drugs, who's snorting me?
The more people, the merrier.
Put the light back.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, you say light them all up? No.
I'll let you
Let's get it done, Dan. Go over there.
So then, yeah, we'll get this over there and then attach that.
Like, were you guys attaching one of the cakes to this?
Yeah. What are you attaching to?
What? Those are the last, right?
These are
Yeah,
the
these
last.
are the last.
Alright, so I say like that and like that, right?
Yeah, so we're gonna bring this.
You're gonna attach them.
Yeah, you're gonna attach that.
You're
Yeah.
gonna take this.
So that's going with the last one.
It is.
That's going with this
So,
one?
what do you guys think? So so they're gonna attach that to.
Should we just like this one?
Not underneath us.
So you probably want to put this, maybe right here, in front of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. We put.
Well, if that's going to be the last, light them off right here.
Or do we
Turn
want
that light off. Turn that light
I
off.
think we turn around.
You did. Oh, we already started.
Whatever.
Team America.
Let's light this shit off.
Come on.
Guys start being a dick.
No, he.
No, if someone does it, I kick them.
You kick
Why
them?
is everybody hiding?
Why don't we just beat him up, put him in his truck, and
Exactly, beat him
like,
up.
put him in the woods?
Nobody's being anybody.
There's no evidence. No. Oh,
Yeah.
He knows what
We're not hiding.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
We're not hiding.
Light
We're
this
beating
up.
Let's go.
put fireworks in his ear.
No, I don't know.
Just take a mortar out for his ass.
What's by my feet? Oh, what is that? More wet.
Wait, don't they want this attached to it?
Yo, do you want this attached to that?
I don't know.
Huh? You want this
That's
one attached to
583
it?
pounds.
Alright, the longer you guys stall, the longer this shit happens.
My phone's
No, it's all good.
What is this attaching to?
We're gonna attach it to this.
Yeah.
Light it up. This guy.
Hold up.
Alright, everybody's laughing. They're
being
laughing
alright.
at us.
They're being
now.
alright.
They're saying we're a bunch of pussies. Yeah. Come watch. You can join. This is fucking. We're all happy with each other here.
All right.
Wait,
we're-
Connor, grab those
Oh,
scissors.
where we got these fucking beats going to watch. All the tennis guys. Bunch of non-American motherfuckers. Go join Iran.
Like right here.
Come on. All right, go ahead.
I just want to do it once.
Yo, do not slide. Be careful, man.
Be careful with the grass wet. You will slide.
I'm not scraping you off a fucking tree.
So we're gonna attach this.
Yep.
Brick and a light here.
Yep.
Got it.
That's the last one? That's the last one.
This is the last one.
So,
Oh, no,
Yeah.
we need a different one. We need a different one.
Why?
No, this is what.
This is the finale.
That's what they want. They want this whole thing to be the finale.
Yeah, this is the finale.
I'm gonna fucking torch everybody.
We're doing this last. That's gonna be
Give me that one.
All right. Kim, go up to the top of the hill with that one.
No, we're cheese.
Oh.
That's why you're gonna connect that to that. No, they're connecting the gold horse to it.
Well, did you want to connect this one to that one too?
Well, you want to do all these at once? Like one big hoorah?
And that's it. That's fine.
All right.
It's something.
Listen, guys, we're joining all four together. All four together.
This would be so
Don't even
All
put it.
right. So wait, no. So
You gotta
wait,
find
no.
the wick, man.
No, yeah, but no, it's got. So wait, we got to. No, we have to move this way. Yeah. A little gas. Bring this way. Pick this up. Bring it over here more. More. Right, perfect.
Did you guys connect the gold to it yet?
Not yet.
All right, so connect this one first.
All right.
Like right there.
Yep.
Wait, one sec. Come a little closer to me with that one. That big one, like the big square one. Yeah, right there.
Just to give it space.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. I think we got enough pink wick. Yep, we do. The green we don't want. Oh, we have plenty of the pink.
Yeah, I was gonna say there's a whole nother one.
Here you guys go.
We're just fusing them all together, so just give us a couple minutes. You're doing what? We're fusing all of our cakes together.
That's fine. Yep. Go ahead. Wait, where are we? Oh crap. Okay.
I'm gonna turn the light off for this one.
Yep.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Once it's lit.
Yep.
Once it's late, we. All right.
It's no good.
And then should we give this one a little extra?
Wait. So the start is going to be this one.
Or
Oh,
we could
shit.
just attach a fuse there.
We could just attach it
The other way. Yeah. Good.
or even just lighting.
Swap, or literally light this over here.
No, just
And then swap
attach
it
a
over
piece.
there.
Literally detach a small, like foot-long piece here,
Not even.
I hear it.
and run it.
Because we want these to start off or end.
Got it.
Those are gonna start off. This is the end.
Yeah. I
Okay.
think I did your ringer on.
From what I was told.
That's scary.
All right.
This is the end.
You good?
Well, hold up.
Almost.
Hold up. No, Chris. If that's the case, to want it to go better, we'd want this over here on this one.
Well, no,
And we
because
light
you
it
need
here.
this connected no matter what. So you just connect a piece of the pink to
What-
here.
With how these are
But guys,
going though.
didn't we want this one to be? These go. This.
I would just, if you already have it wired,
Yeah.
Yeah.
let it go.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
So then
This is hit it up.
You kinda got the tape.
Hit it up.
There's a button on top.
We could still attach a piece to the other end.
yeah.
I don't know what.
Start with go down there.
Yeah, right here. Yep, start it and then off to the races.
Don't be a pussy. Sit on it.
Are you recording this
Sit
one,
on it.
babe?
You said sit on the fireworks.
Yeah.
And then Connor, we're just gonna attach.
Kim,
Yeah.
we have guests.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
great.
So don't fuck this up.
Yeah. Hopefully it doesn't
Well.
fuck up.
It's getting fucked up.
Who's lighting it?
All right, I'll light it
How long you want this?
right there.
There?
Yep.
And he's like, I'll light that shit.
Give me the lighter. We got the lighter.
I've got a lighter.
All right.
We got lighters. We got
All right.
torches.
The torch later for you.
All right, here we
Give
go.
me some more hot wings, and I'll give you my.
Fire in the hole.
Connor, you got my phone?
Yeah.
You recording?
Nope. Go for it. You got time.
Oh yeah.
My phone's about to die, so.
Oh, this shit's gonna be crazy. We're definitely gonna need to back up.
Once that thing gets Wait, whose lighters do I have?
Tristan.
All right. Oh yeah, here we go. I want a good view of this. This thing is gonna be quick.
Yeah, for real.
I'm gonna
Back
set
it
it
up,
up.
back it up.
Yep.
Here we go.
I'm not going fully close.
Seriously.
Yo, wait, hold up. Wait till we have a light.
What happened?
I know.
Yeah, what side went off? Went off this side. The other side didn't. There's no light. There's no light. Oh.
It stopped right here.
Oh.
Yeah, hit it.
Hit it and run. We got the torch. You got.
Yeah, we need the torch.
No, run! Run! Oh my God!
Dancing in the moonlight, everybody's feeling warm and love.
Any second.
Okay, any second?
There
Oh, there you go.
Pow, pow, pow.
Yay! That little box was a dog.
Oh, stop it.
Don't know that yet.
That's all that was?
There's a dog.
That's why it was on sale.
There's no way you can get that thing away either. You have to cut into the cake. No. Yeah, I'm